Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday, I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today, I will talk to you about Ikoma Sanjo Amusement Park. Ikoma Sanjo Amusement Park is on the top of the Mount Ikoma in Nara at 642 meters high. It is a really sure spot where you can enjoy beautiful views and a nice old fashionated atmosphere. The whole family can have fun here. The best point of this park is that the entry is free. You can come and just enjoy a walk with great views. If you want to ride attractions, you can pay for each ride from 300 yen or buy a special ticket. The Tokutoku Ticket has 12 ride tickets for 3,400 yen and the one-day pass is 4,200 yen for adults. There are 27 attractions in the park. The most famous one is Hikoto Flight Tower, which has been worked in since 1929. It's the oldest big amusement ride in Japan, and it's also a registered civil engineering heritage. While the ride goes up slow, you can see the Osaka plain and the Nara Beijing in 360 degrees. The view is really amazing. You can see Abe no Haruka's Osaka Castle, and on a clear day, even the Akashi Kaikyo Bridge. New attractions have opened in recent years. In 2024, a shooting ride called Beam Stars opened. In September 2025, a card maze Gururi Forest Adventure, the first of its kind in Nara, also opened. To get there, you can take the retro Ikoma cable car from Ikoma Station on Kintetsu Line. The trip takes about 60 minutes. The cable car ride itself is one of the fun parts of the trip. The park is one from the middle of March to the end of November, and it's closed on Saturdays. It also closes in winter from December to early March. The top of the mountain is 4 to 5 degrees cooler than the foot of the mountain. So it's a great place to escape the heat in summer. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.